And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Hit the like button, wherever that is, down there, and the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. Right now, we have Lily in the Wild. That's her homepage. That's her, whatchamacallit, unboxing from Harshman Hills. I think that's a cat sacrifice. I'm not too sure. That's Lily pointing, and that's her mother in the wild. And let's end that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, folks. Um, this is Diebulfrog79, aka supporter of Lily in the Wild. Now, people send Lily boxes. This is a finished bread bag. I like it because this is the old style. It has the hooks and the middle buttons, so this is going to be really good for her when she goes foraging in the woods. Hooks, good size for a kid. This is one of my kid version of my soapbox survival kit, and it's all kid friendly. Say soapbox. Okay, bandana. I like blue. Blue again, blue mug to fit on the little burner thing. And you never, trust me, you always need light sticks. These are the poison ones, so be careful. Gucci bag or rice bag. You put little things in here. They didn't have pockets in the old days, so they used these. In the Civil War, they used to carry sugar and rice. I forget, tobacco, a whole bunch of things, coins, change, whatever you want to use for it, you put it in here. It's a little bag. Most important thing if you're a bushcrafter. Now, a lot of people who bushcrafting don't show this. See that? It's a big poncho, 50 by 40 inch. Now, everybody says that is big enough for a tent. Yeah, for Lily and Ellie or El Jello, their size would be a perfect shelter. They don't tell you that on bushcrafting channels, folks. Also, I like, what was the color? Sorry. I like blue. And this is a port collapsible water bottle, also in blue. I like blue. I think that says soup. Soup or sour, I can't remember. And it's a little food box. I think it's soup. Soup box. Okay. Running out of table room. Okay. This one is for Ellie, Lily, and Mother of the Wild. It's a little surprise box. I forget what the hell I put in there. So you open it, you figure it out. Since Mom and Ellie got flashlights, I thought Ellie in the woods, or the Elo Jello, I think it's Elo Jello, should get her own little flashlight. It's zombie green for zombies this time of year. And since Mom got her own pack, this one's for, I think, Elo Jello, Ellie. You get your own little survival pack. And then for everybody in the family is Front Yard Foraging. And it's basically a cookbook. I showed this one before. It's going out there for them. Uncle Al's kind of tired, so this will show you what plants to eat. Now, please be careful when you're foraging. You may want to take a course and get to know an instructor who knows some of it, because I had to put my foot down on a YouTube blogger because she made a mistake on one of these plants shown, not the cookies, but one of these plants shown in the book, and she ate the wrong variety, and she made her whole class sick. I had to call poison control. Uncle Alan's tired and old, but he isn't stupid, and you can't help stupid people. So anyway, I'm going to keep this short. So like and subscribe to Diebulfrog79, 8K, that around there someplace. 8K Old Uncle Al. And I'll catch you later, folks.